So last time we completed the index.html page. Now we are going to create sign up and login page. So let's first create the sign up page. Now we'll just copy everything that is there from the index.html in this sign up page. Now what we want is just this middle wrapper part, so we are going to remove everything from in here, and what I want here is a form for the sign up. So I'm going to get the code for that from Halfmoon. So when you go on to this Halfmoon website, you just have to scroll down and go in form, and here you will get all these different form elements. So I'm just going to get one simple form from here. So let's take this one. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, so now let's make some changes here. So here this first input field is for username. So now I'm just going to add another, and that is going to be for email. And now for this email, I don't want this text, so I'm going to just remove that. And this is for password, and the last one is for confirm password. So we want these both, and there is a sign up button as well. So I guess all the other things are going to be as it is. So let's see the output for this. I'll just have to write here /signup.html, and here is our HTML form. Now here I also want one title that says sign up, and I want this whole form in a card. So I'll just go here, and here as you can see this content and card section, so I'm going to go inside that, and I just want a simple card here. So this second one is going to be the card that I'll take. So I'll just copy this, and before this form I'm going to paste this code, and I don't want all these things, so I'll just get rid of this paragraph and also this div. So now I just have this title, and I'm going to change it to sign up. Okay, that is good. Now I'm going to take this form inside of this card. So I'll just cut it from here and paste it exactly below this h2 tag. Okay, so that is done. Let's see the output. Now I want to change the width of this card as well. So from here I'm going to change the width to 500 and change this width to 500. Okay, so now this sign up form is completed. So let's go on to the login form. So I'm going to create a new file, login.html. Now I'm going to copy everything that is there in the sign up form and paste it in this login form. So here in this login form, I just want two fields, and that is going to be the username and password. So I'll be removing this email field and this confirm password field as well. And also I don't want this text, and I'll be removing this text from here as well. And here it is now going to say login, and here I'm going to change this title to login. Okay, so that is done. So let's check it out. So login.html, and there we go. Here we have our login form. Now we have the login and sign up page created. So here in the sidebar we have these two buttons, but if we click on these, then they are not going to work as we haven't linked our pages to this anchor link. So let's do that. So here I'm going to go into the index.html page. So here is the sidebar, and this is the link for login and this is for sign up. So here in the href I'm going to change it to login.html, and here I'm going to change this to signup.html. Okay, that is done. Now I'm also going to change the navbar anchor link. So here I have this anchor link, but I don't have the href set here. So I'm going to set this to index. So this is now set to the index.html. So when I click on this logo, then it is going to redirect me to this index.html page. Now these three links we are going to change in our other two pages as well, that is for the login and sign up page. So let's go into the login page, and here I'm going to change this to index.html, and here it is going to be login.html, signup.html, and then after in the sign up page as well. So here also index.html, then login.html and signup.html. Okay, so we have updated all the anchor links. Now let's check them out. So now let's first check this logo part. So if I click on this, then I am successfully being redirected onto this index.html page. Now let's see login. So I'm also able to redirect onto this login page. And now the sign up. So the sign up page is also loading. So all these links are now working. So we have created all of the three pages, and all of these pages are responsive. So if I get the screen size down, then as you can see that all these pages are aligning the elements based on the screen size, and this toggle button is also working. So we have successfully created all the three required pages, that is index.html page, which is the main page, then login.html page and signup.html page.